Here is Redline Airshows. They're now coming up over the top of their loop, and they're going to break apart. And here comes the Precision Exotics. The Lambo and the Porsche came apart as they broke apart on the loop, and now they're going to come around and do the crossover Cuban 8. As here comes the left side. And now here comes the right side, and they're gonna cross right there. Redline Airshows is a formation team making their first ever appearance here at the Yuma Airshow. This is their first ever appearance ever here at this airshow as they both go up, stall the airplane out, do the hammerhead stall, and here they come down. Back around now, coming straight down. Both planes will cross again as they come straight at each other, head on. And here comes the Precision Exotics. As here they go, they're gonna cross again, going up, and they're going to make a heart. Telling you, all you airshow fans, they love you. And they're gonna make an inner loop here, and they're gonna cross again. They come around, up, they come. And there they go. Coming down, 200 feet above the ground. And they're going to cross pass again. Coming up around here, they shut off their smoke. They got them on camera still. So they're now going to reform their formations again. Come around here, Redline Airshows. One of the most unique airshow teams. When they started, their colors were usually red for their name, Redline Airshows. But they actually had a mix of colors on the wings like white, red, and black. But now the airplane's bodies used to be red, but now they're inverse with black with red stripes. Here they come. The formation pass from Redline Airshow. So they come up over the top now. They're going to do another loop. Coming up over the top now. Going up there at the top. Making their coming down. On the way down, staying in formation. Perfect loop-to-loop. And now, as they make their way towards us here, these two RV-8 aircraft, a home-built kit-style aircraft used for this team, is only showing of two aircraft here, which is perfect for a small team like this. And of course, you see, as they come around, you're gonna watch, they're gonna make their way back towards show center. Hopefully, they do not collide with each other there. All right, good. They got their order back in shape. Coming down, smoke on. Here comes in for the photo pass from Redline Airshows. They're going up again for another loop. Side by side. Coming down. And perfect loop. And of course, the smoke doesn't look a little wonky because of the wind, which is understandable. Here they go again. They're going to go straight up. Double hammerheads coming up. They're going to stall the plane out. Hammerhead stall turns. And now making their way back down. And I think they're going to cross here. Nope, they're staying in formation. Here they see it here. There it is, everybody. Redline Airshows. And here they go up. Back up again. Through the loop. And here they come now. They might be coming right towards us here. Give it up for Redline Airshows! Well done! Wow! Redline Airshows. What a performance! Give it up for Redline Airshows, everyone. What a performance! And now they're going to be coming back around. Going to cross head on at each other here. Opposing knife edge pass. Going up, and they're going to give another Cuban 8 here. Green merging back into the loop. Wow, what a great performance by Redline Airshows, everyone. Very cool performance. And now, you'll be getting ready to see 6 L-39 Albatross aircraft get ready to start up and hit the runway here, which they are our last performer of the day. Here it is, Redline Airshows with their smoke off, coming back towards us here. Coming around. Great performances by our teams today. One of the best. As Redline climbs up, and they're gonna break apart, and they're gonna do a little heart for all of you fans who come out here to watch them perform. They're telling you they love you. Wow. So that will conclude the Redline Airshows performance. Coming up next is the Patriots Jet Team. Stay tuned. They will be up next to cap off our air show today with all new performances, everyone. Stay tuned.